Okay, Arjun. Ready?
Let's go, boys.
Go.
It's gonna be cozy.
Mike,
Shoot. Stop.
Ow. Still good, boys. Let's go.
Get it. Pass it.
Win it. Yes.
Again.
Turn, drive. That's our drive.
Демид, пошел!
Gami.
Пас!
Get there.
Drive.
Твой.
Drive forward. Drive.
Йо, Демид, ну
It's too
всё.
easy to me.
All the way, Alex. All the way.
Switch!
Keep him in there.
Демид, твой.
Вниз мяч. Дай ему,
Пас,
дай.
пасуй, но! А, еще раз.
Yeah, look forward. Yes. Drive. Devon, take him on. Hey, we'll take it back.
Play.
Пас. Быстрее, да.
Again,
Минут, вернее.
Помогай.
Hey, turn and face. Alex. Slide in. Alex. Slide in.
PSA!
Inside.
Talk to each other, PSA!
Second.
Демид, пошел.
Captain. Nazar. Have a shot. Nazar.
Can't switch off. White, let's go, fellas.
When you
Talk to each other. Adam,
Drive in.
Isa.
Hit it quick.
Sammy.
Stay inside. Devon, inside.
Go with it.
No bounce.
Gone through.
Пошел,
Oh,
Демид.
you got him, bud.
Давай! Бля, это что за удар?
Head up, man. Next one, David.
Давай, вставай, Демид. Что ты там делаешь, Вань?
Heads up, bud. Hey.
Mike.
David,
Drop it.
yeah. Good job, boys.
No. Назад.
Michael. Hey, Mike. Mike, good finish, man. Might have been. Watch your lines, boys. Watch your lines up there.
Иса!
Центр.
Все, стоп.
Hey, Sam. That's an excellent throw. That's exactly the idea.
Yes.
Иса, don't forget, please.
When attack, we need to be at the center, right?
Выход. Remember?
Adam!
Come, John. Go, Mike.
No! There's no offside from goal!
No, yeah, it's not. From a drop kick, yes. From a drop kick, yes. It's okay. No, that's okay. Hey.
Yeah, I should try it, right? I always can
Try, but. Heads up,
Michael.
boys. Watch your lines, White.
Michael, don't stay offside.
Be aware, fellas.
Ну как-то.
Почему он принимает?
Too easy, boys. Too easy. Too easy, White.
Seconds!
Good hands, John.
Martin!
Boy.
Seconds!
Победил! Пас,
Again, quick, Mike, quickly.
Не, ну, так куда ж ты бьешь? Под себя. Демид,
Michael.
под себя
Yes.
мяч!
It's quick like that and you're good, okay? Great stuff.
Хотел избавиться.
She's got it. It's okay. We got it. Johnny, nice work, bud.
Леш, у меня игра уже.
Michael, use your head.
Как?
All of you.
Тиньо на бобине.
Не все. Да. Ты зарезервировал?
Hold the line up. Having a 20-minute chat. And they just discussed it. Hey, let's get the game going. Yes?
Take Ryan's ball.
И под удар.
Push. Bam. Drop. Isa,
Good turn,
stop.
Adam.
Isa, stop.
Вот.
Stop, Isa. Stop, Isa.
Не опускай он.
Куда?
Well done, East.
Браво.
Oh, unlucky, man.
Michael.
Сэм, это не отбор! Оу,
It's okay. You okay, bud?
Адам,
Adam, play.
Адам.
Adam, here you go.
Шире,
Adam, you
Мартин,
good?
что ты там делаешь? Мартин, играй шире!
Come on. Isa, let him go. Good, Isa. Atta boy. Isa, well done, man. Good talk, John.
Вид, куда ты идешь? Атака в воротах, ты не нападающий.
Adam's asking.
Ты кого кроешь?
Adam is asking to come on.
Бой, бежи, Демид!
Drop!
Пас!
Drop, Kevin!
What?
Adam.
Adam is asking for a sub.
Sub?
Olympics, and he said
Oh,
he wanted a
okay.
sub.
You just wait for out. Wait for out. Sub, ref. Adam.
Well done!
Вот скажи ему, потому что он водится в центре, поэтому и получил.
Yeah, Noah center. Noah center, boy.
Но! Центр!
Adam, you know why it happened like that?
Yeah.
Because he was trying to do it a lot of movement.
Hey, drop off, Cammy, drop. Yeah,
Yeah.
now we go, step.
Like
Cam, header, Benoit. Hey, that
Go on,
cannot go
Mike.
through.
Martin!
Martino!
It's too far!
Мартин, я сказал играть шире, Мартин!
Мартин! Линия возле линии должен стоять! Где? Where's your mom? Where's your mom? There? Where's your dad? Not here?
Turn
If
the
I
drive.
see that one more
Drive.
time, we're not gonna play.
Drive forward.
wearing shoes?
Yes.
Those little tiny ones?
Я могу ему
What happens every time? I know, but listen, every practice and every game you're going down because you're getting kicked in the shin.
Yeah,
There's a
the
reason
second
you have
time.
it.
Seconds.
Я понял.
Practice constantly. Good job, Jimmy. Again.
Подходи,
Don't let him stop the ball, boys. Make it hard for him.
Go, Levon. Lazar, go.
Talk.
Yes, touch.
Hey, you two, Isa and John, have to talk to each other. All right? Goalkeeper has to be talking all the time. Please.
Come on, Cammy.
Wake up! Come on!
Hey, Ella, desperation right close to the net. Hey. That's what I'm willing to gamble on.
Yeah, Ryan, it's okay!
It's just rain as long as you're Heads up, Mike. He did a bicycle kick. It was close. He probably should.
There was a noise. Drop, Dimit, drop.
Teeth falling out.
Yes.
Dimit,
Dimit.
come. Sam. Hey, you two.
Lucien,
more.
leave him there.
But be aware, boys. Be aware if it does come high.
Referee, look for outside.
There it is. Time.
Man, kick and go. Pass.
Michael, watch your line.
Oh no, there was no.
Michael, you're offside, dude. Watch it. Okay,
Michael,
please.
you cannot stand behind the defender.
Can I play wing? Yeah, go Izzy, go Izzy. Yeah, come on. Yeah, there you go. Go Izzy, go.
Come on, Dimit.
Вдвоем,
Come on,
помогай
Dimit.
вдвоем.
Yeah, Izzy.
Let's go, boys.
Drop back.
Yes, go, Issa. Go, Issa. Close him.
Johnny.
Good
Press
talk.
Nazar.
Back to John.
Good work, boys.
Nice.
Nazar.
John and Issa.
Don't
Good
slow
job.
down.
John and Issa. Well done. That's
Yeah.
exactly it. Good stuff.
Step. Yes, Keelan. Turn and drive.
Nazar,
Big
Sammy.
touches. Drive. Big touches.
Guys, step up. No.
Ну, пас!
Again.
Вот, Лукас, вантаж!
Well done.
Вантаж, Демид, окей?
Drop, everybody, drop.
Keelan higher. Drive. All the way.
Good work, Sam.
Good job, Sam. Назар. Коваленко. Still running.
Find a man. Hey, Adam, you've got 3 back posts, bud. Noor, help.
Yeah, it's true, right? Yeah, everyone else would have tried to shoot. Yeah, but except
Big John, watch.
Michael.
Mazen, step in a bit more.
Adam would have shot. Yes.
Good boy, Jono.
Drop.
Go, Dimit, go, Michael, go, Michael.
Shoot!
Yes, Michael, Johnny boy.
Ты слышишь, выход, мальчик! Я вас сейчас поменяю всех!
Like, when,
Идете там, атака там!
remember, the central line, when attack. Noah, when attack, tick, 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 tick. And then come back, and then tick, 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 tick.
Mazen, unlucky.
Dimit,
go
убери
again,
руки
hey, we go
от
again,
губки,
hey.
проснись.
Keep it up, Mike. Well done, bud.
Talk to each other, PSA. I want to listen your names.
Calm.
Come
Time. Alex, wide. Drive, Keelan, drive. Forward.
Браво!
Again, boys. Come on.
Вот, сильничка, красава! Вырывай с мяса!
Back, drop back, behind. Дальше.
Maxi, heads up.
Go.
Dimit. Not bad.
Оп.
Sorry, man.
Вот,
Drive, Tammy.
Побежал. Switch.
браво! Только чуть-чуть сильнее!
Pass back. Еще раз назад. Так. Keep pressing.
Сэм, мы что-то отрабатывали на тренировках, выход. Только мяч выбили, вы должны сразу все выйти, потянуть. Подойди чуть ближе, подойди к нему. Сэм, если что, мелкий фол и все, только над чужой. На своей будет уже красная карточка.
Yeah, he scored. He scored it, which is really good, right? Yeah.
Джон, wait, please.
Closer.
John, he's saying you can come up and support.
Options.
But on the deep balls, wait until the boys are out a little further, okay?
Дай но пас, дай но пас.
Ну
Всё.
да.
What if we're up, but they're not back?
Зачем вот это было назад, вперед?
When you see somebody who's got a mismatch.
Просили, называется, просить пас, и ты его это спрашивал.
To the middle, to the side, to the side, to the side, to
Типа,
the
ну,
side,
надо кричать, что
to
проси
the
мяч.
side.
Ну, подай пас, зачем?
Нур!
Guys, we're not dribbling.
Hey, the ball comes out to the side, not to the
Демид, пошел.
Или пасы.
Hit one, David.
Это что ж такое?
Под себя! Под себя убери!
Демид, убери игрока под себя, пробежи.
Fine, that's good.
Дробэк, дробэк. Вот, покрой. Вот, вот.
Watch it, Sammy.
Помогай, помогай.
Get back in position. Go diving in, okay?
Я понял, наберите меня, пожалуйста, через час, у меня игра идет. Спасибо, спасибо.
Oh, Jamid, unlucky, man. Jamid, perfect position. Well done.
That was
That was
pass.
going, that
That
was
was,
cool.
yeah.
Мартин Лайн, Мартин Лайн! Джон Уэйт, Джон Уэйт!
Демид, ты куда идешь, Демид?
Демид, Лайн, Лайн.
Yeah, be aware. Okay, it's coming through, you're on it, right?
Come on.
Done.
Майкл!
Mason.
Get it! Демид, пойди отскочить сюда, лови.
Time, time, time.
Джонни, wait, wait.
Drop off, drop, drop, drop. Yeah, Alex, that's yours, that's yours.
Перепрыгнет. Take it, Sam, take it. Сэмми, take it. Демид, дай Сэму.
Nathan, slide, slide in, slide.
Options, move, move, Michael, move, move around.
Aurelia.
You
watching this game? It's a great game.
Get out if you need
Step, step, step.
Ну подойди, что ты стоишь сзади?
Hey, Benoit, hey.
Пас, пас. Не, ну не так, не так.
That's Aurelia, let's go.
Oh, hey.
И на нас, Нор. На нас смотрит, ударил.
Good job, Nor. Adam, well done, that's okay. Next one.
Просто он один в один выходит. А дальше покатить, замахнись, покати его и все.
Демид! Guys! Adam! Adam! Remember the training! Michael! Where you should be!
Follow, Ibra.
Healers go. Back, Sam.
Get back on.
Stop, referee!
Refs up!
Демид, Демид!
It's still on!
Hey, get back.
It's going on. Hold it again. Hold it again.
Дай пас, вот кричи ему.
Адам, он даже не говорил, он с мячиком был.
Wait, what happened?
Guys, we're kicking into shin pads. Our players are kicking into shin pads over and over and over again. Okay? That's why we can't get out of our zone. Don't kick into shin pads. Go round the player. Okay? Let's go.
Sideline. Try to wrap your foot around and get it off the sideline. You're throwing out of bounds play. Well done.
Встречай!
Good boy, John.
Ближе close или close?
Okay, guys.
Ближе,
what you doing
closer.
there?
Это ближе.
Shin pads. Kick right down. Kick 4 times. Kick the ball in shin pads.
Короче, выпить себе.
Okay, you gotta take a touch around.
Ну как же ты?
20, take a touch right around. Okay, lift the ball. One up.
Так, Michael!
Go take it, Mike.
Try.
Go to goalkeeper! Go! Go!
Выход! Ардем, ты нападающий!
Yes, there you go.
Ты нормально, он, блядь, нападающий, он, блядь, защиту бежит.
Sam, you keep moving back to keep him on side, man.
Alex.
Heard him center back?
Right inside. Alex, inside. Yeah, that's good.
Закончится. 22, 32, 2 минуты, 2-3 минуты максимум.
Press!
Again.
Press! All the way, Keelan, all the way!
Stretch. Nice, Johnny.
Да, в центр.
Well done, Jono.
Ближе, смотри-ка, они дают ему принять.
Use them in front of you, number 5. Why are you telling me?
Я, Вайга.
Он лево выбивает.
Пас!
Help him. Look inside, Mike.
Fish side! Michael, fish side!
See that open channel coming across, Mike? You see that diagonal? Mike, you see that diagonal coming across? You can get that, bud.
Closer!
on, play it,
Closer!
There it is.
Hey, why are you backing off?
Noor, watch your line. Good job, Martin.
Тихо, смотри.
Martin.
Yep, just like that.
It's okay. Heads up.
Стоп!
Рэп.
Мартин,
Мартин, сюда. Ветер толкаться. Ему красную карточку уже давали. 4 игры пропустил. 0.
тебе мало красной карточки было? Мало? Иди.
Left back.
Defender. Все ты знал, ты психанул, потому что он тебя в спину толкнул. Отсюда все было видно, и камера это засняла.
Психовать не надо, напомню.
Ты сейчас опять оставишь команду в меньшинстве.
Johnny, wait! Пас!
Benoit, why are you watching? Stop
Не
watching!
понимаю.
Пас.
Шапки бегают.
Вдоль подкатик, да. Ай-яй-яй. Браво,
That's a
Сэм!
ball!
That was
That's a ball slide!
Ibra, take it.
Hey, heads up, John.
А что за хер?
Чисто в нем.
Ibra, hit the target. Ibra, why are you rushing it?
Here, John.
Дай мяч.
Is there another one?
Yes.
Yeah.
О,
Here, John.
Play, Johnny, play!
Keelan, press! Yeah, it's yours, Alex, it's yours. You must.
There's 3 balls on the field.
Go, Yusuf!
Leave each other.
No, there was no offside. Pass it!
Michael, watch your line, man. Yeah, white ball. Yusuf, get up there, give it to Sam.
I guess the rain skip.
Надо
the
что-то
side.
придумать, чтобы можно было привязывать
Run
зонтик.
him, Calvin, run him.
Его быстрее. Аккуратно.
And again.
Джон.
Бежи туда, бежи, Сэм!
Now see Sam, see Sam.
Баланс.
Guys, help!
want to pass it to the center.
Taught them since they were 4 years old. Taught them not to do that.
Second!
Я тебе говорю, что еще. Он спросил меня, сколько уже 5 играем.
Keep going, boys.
Handball! Handball!
Come here, PSA, quick, quick. 2 minutes? 2 minutes? 5?